Hi there, welcome to my instruction video of the cutest and most efficient cleaning schedule. So now, let's get started. If you can't edit the sheets, just make a copy and get started right away. You can even hide the sheets if you want to keep things tidy. I have created an example sheet for you, so now I will introduce how to use this spreadsheet through the example sheet. In the Days of the Week section, you can add the chores and track your progress using the Q progress ring. In the Daily section, you can select the area and time. I've included necessary areas and times, but you can also modify and add items in the drop-down. In the Weekly section, you can list your tasks by area and mark them as completed for each week. The progress bar next to each task will automatically update based on the weeks you've completed. Other sections work similarly, however, the color and emotions of the bunnies in the progress bars will change. Lastly, let me introduce the magical clear button. No need for manual deletion of input data anymore. This button is a game changer, allowing you to delete all data in just 1 second. If you are interested in this spreadsheet, you can purchase it in my shop. I will put the link in the description. Thank you for watching my video and have a nice day.